I am Kate Calvin, NASA's Chief Scientist and Senior Climate Advisor, and I'm sitting down with Bill Anders, who took the famous Earthrise photo.
Oh my God, look at that picture over there. There's the Earth coming up. Wow, is that pretty?
Lunar orbit upside down and going backwards, so for the first several revolutions, and we didn't see the Earth, and didn't really think about that. And then we righted ourselves, heads up, and twisted the spacecraft so it was going forward. And while Frank Borman was in the process of doing that, suddenly I saw out of the corner of my eye this color. It was shocking.
Oh my God, look at that picture over there. There's the Earth coming up. Wow, is that pretty? You got a color film, Jim? Hand me a roll of color quick.
Oh man, that's great. Where is it?
Quick.
So I managed to get Lovell to get me a color magazine, put the long lens on and started snapping away.
You got it? Yep. Take several.
Take several of them. Here, give it to me.
Wait a minute, let me just get the right setting here. Calm down, Lovell.
Oh, I got it right. Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
Okay.
Now there's exposure.
I did. I took two up there.
You sure you got it now?
Yeah, it'll come up again, I think.
Without a light meter, I really didn't know what to set it. So I just took the f-stop and just took a shot, moved it, took a shot, moved it, and then really didn't think that much about it. I think had I not taken the Earthrise picture, Bill who?
I have it hanging on the wall of my office. And
Is that right?
It's a reminder every day of why we do this, for
Yeah.
science, for inspiration, for innovation,
Yeah.
for home.
Yeah. But it makes people think,
Yeah.
about this fragile little ball we live on.
Yeah. Beautiful,
I
fragile.
haven't made them think enough, but we do think.
Earth is one of our most important missions at NASA, and we're continuing to use that vantage point of space. The image that you saw, we continue to look at Earth and see how it's changing. What words of wisdom would you give future scientists, astronauts, or the next generation?
Certainly viewing of space, of Earth from space, like Landsat, which I fought for, from the space station, looking down at the Earth.
I think Landsat's how most people see Earth. We get to see a lot of the 50 years worth of Landsat imagery.
And Landsat has been, to my knowledge, been quite a helpful program.
Yeah. It's been tremendous, both in showing the planet and how it changes, but also
Yeah.
providing information to landowners everywhere.
Right.
So you're known for one of the most poetic quotes about going to the moon and discovering Earth. Can you tell us about that?
It's hard for me to imagine I actually said it because it's so poetic. But when they ask people, what impressed you? I said, well, we went to the moon to explore the moon, and what we discovered was the Earth. So, I was lucky to take Earthrise with color film, with a long lens, and make that statement. And that's about my real environmental claim to fame.
It's a pretty big claim to fame.
Yeah.
But I do think often we have to leave home to appreciate it.
Yeah.
And you had that opportunity. And I think generations are grateful for what you've done.
Well, but seeing the Earth from space, and I really wish I could take a flight in the space station, because we were just in Earth orbit 1.5 revolutions. So, but it is beautiful from space.